all 8 semester students, stand up. Naga, where are you? Spurti, I am not seeing you. Suprita, Ananya, okay.
Some of your seniors are too good, some of them are bunky type of thing.
Now we think about tomorrow like we think about now. Can we survive it out there? Can we make it somehow? I guess I thought that this would never end.
And some of them used to sleep in my class. Okay. Some of them were very good at it.
So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Well, it'll bring you by maybe the stockbroken man can ever find a job that won't interfere with pretend. I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. Friends forever. Now we think about tomorrow like we think about now. Can we survive it out there? Can we make it somehow? I guess I thought that this would never end.
Very bright, very enterprising, and pretty much mischievous as well.
I found all the students of 8th semester are very good. They perform very well in their academic. I hope they will continue in the 8th semester also.
I actually have taught them data, discrete mathematics and analysis and design of algorithms. And I don't know whether they enjoyed or not. I enjoyed teaching these subjects.
So I'm so fortunate that I started my second innings as a teacher. So with the batch which is sitting here now, so they are in the 8B. So when I look at these students, in particular Samir, Shruti, Satvik, Sandesh, Sai, many students, I feel God would have blessed me children like this. So their parents are so fortunate to have children like these children. So they are all excellent, exceptionally talented students.
Literally they were very good. In fact, I liked their attitude when I was staff placement coordinator when I interacted with them.
All are very good, they are very studious, and I remember that I have taken software engineering for section A, and for section B I have taken compiler design. Both the batches are very good and they are very simple.
Okay, I handled network programming for those students. They were really good.
I had a nice experience with them actually. It was very nice. The students were also very good. But it was fun taking the class.
They're all nice. The students, very special for me. We used to have enough fun. I still remember the birthday celebrations which the same batch of students gave me here in the college. So cake was yummy. I still remember that. And thanks to Vijay, I had a good time with the entire batch, to be very honest.
I wish you bright and happy future.
Abilities apart, build up your attitude. Attitude is the one which takes you a long way, and working in teams, that's something which every enterprise expects. So I guess majority of them have pretty much team spirit and working in teams attitude, but really that's important. However bright you are, being humble and being good fit into a team is more important than anything else in future endeavors.
At this occasion, I am wishing you a very happy and prosperous future to all of them. Thank you.
I wish them all success in their future endeavors. Sir, any?
But I would request them to remember one thing. The institution with the faculty have contributed some percentage for their growth. Maybe some percentage, because they may think that everything we have been gained on our own effort. But always they should remember that they should have gained something from the institution. So when they are grateful to the institution, what they would have got from the institution, so the growth will be more. So they should be grateful for their parents and to the institution. So I request every one of them, be grateful to the institution and contribute to the institution for its growth. Since RVC is celebrating its golden jubilee this year, so I request them to at least this year, the part of their salary, contribute to the RVC's corpus fund and be part of the RVC's growth. So I wish them all the success in their futures. So the last and the final what I want to convey is, don't stop your education here. Plan for your master's degree and the research, either part-time or full-time, and be instrumental in the growth of the company, whatever you represent, and also instrumental in the growth of the country also. So take responsibility for the family, take responsibility for the institution, take responsibility also for the society. So that will give a joy for over the long time. So wish you all the best and celebrate the life every moment.
Good hard work and take RVC to a very new height, because after you pass out you are the brand ambassadors of RVC. I hope most of you in your batch would take RVC to a new height.
Bright future, all the best for your future. That is all I can say. Hope you will remember us.
Best of luck in their future endeavors. They are all good.
Thank you.
Hi, all the very best for your future endeavors.
And I wish all the best for them in the future.
I wish them all the best for the future, and they are good students. That's it. They are awaiting with enough anxiety to step into a new world. Trust me, it's an entirely new world, and the saying that student life is golden life is always true, and it's really hard to get back this.
All the best.